Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the pencils do a plastic bag experiment. So stay tuned. The first step is to get a sandwich bag and fill it halfway with water. Here's my bag. Now I'm sealing it. And I'm going to put my pencils through. Oh! Let's try another one.
Oh wow, there's no water shooting out.
Last one. Whoa! It's not leaking! More pencils. 6 pencils! Awesome! Thanks for watching. Bye and subscribe. Watch our other videos below and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.